In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Sendit on Snapchat. By using Sendit, you can add questions or text on your snaps. Firstly, you need to download the app of Sendit from the App Store and the Play Store, and you can open it up. Here you need to tap on Let's Go, and you need to log in to your Snapchat account. If your Snapchat is already logged in, then you don't need to log in anymore. You can tap on Continue here. Now it brings you an interface such like this. Now you can type here anything that you want. Now here you can type in any question that you want. On the bottom you can see all the fonts that you can choose from. Now after that, if you tap on this dice icon, here you can switch between all of the random questions or the text. Now after you typed in or added the text, you can tap on share. If you want, you can also change the background by tapping on this option, and you can tap on share. Now it will bring you straight to the Snapchat section. Now you can simply and as you can see, the text is above and you can send the snap to anyone you want. You can add it to your stories. And there you go. That's how you can use Sendit on Snapchat. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.